how to silence the iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro. So if you want to quickly mute out all the sound, what you can do is use the action button. So by default, the action button has a silence settings on it. So if you press and hold on this action button right here, your phone will quickly switch to ringing or silent. Okay, what you can do is you can go into settings, and in settings, if we scroll down and tap on the action button here, you can swipe across and make sure the button has been set to silent mode, so that when you press and hold into it, it will allow your phone to quickly toggle between ringing or silent. Okay, the other option is to go into settings, and then we scroll down and tap on sound. So if we scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics, at the top here you can turn on silent mode. This will also allow you to quickly mute all the sound and put your phone on silence. And that's it. Hopefully this will help you out. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.